Integrate set x times x cubed plus x over 2 with respect to x. So for this question, we're going to expand. Set x times x cubed is x to the power of 7 over 2 plus set x times with x over 2 is 1 over 2 times with x to the power of 3 over 2. You may also write down like this if you want. X to the power of 3 over 2 divided with 2. It was the same thing. So now, if you can see here, the power is not equals to -1. So we're going to use the power rule. X to the power of n. So if we integrate with respect to x, we're going to get x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus with c. So integrate x to the power of 7 over 2 with respect to x is, so 7 over 2 plus with 1 is 9 over 2 over 9 over 2. Or you may write down as 2 over 9 plus, write down the constant 1 over 2. So x power of 3 over 2, 3 over 2 plus 1 is x to the power of 5 over 2. So if we do the same thing, we're going to get 2 over 5. It's supposed to be divided with 5 over 2. Okay, and don't forget your plus c. So if I clear some mess here, so I'm going to get simplify. So x to the power of 5 over 2 divided with 5 plus with c. That's it.